Hey, I'm Guido Gagooz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. I'm in bed with my niece's dance instructor, Denise Scapallati, and I'm gonna teach you how to stop snoring, which is a big fucking problem.
What the fuck, Gigi?
Denise, go back to bed.
Why are there cameras in here, Gigi?
I'm doing a video on how to stop snoring.
Get the fuck out of my bedroom!
No, don't move, stay right there. Don't move, stay right there. Denise, we're doing the video.
Are you fucking insane, Gigi? What if your wife sees this?
My wife? She doesn't know how to use a computer. She's superstitious when it comes to technology.
You know what? I don't even understand why you're making these videos. You don't even got any followers.
It's not about the followers. It's about a bigger content strategy. Can we focus on the issue at hand? I can't sleep because you snore.
And I can't sleep because you're always leaving breadcrumbs in the bed.
What?
You fucking chicken cutlets?
How many times do I gotta tell you? They're veal.
Get them out of here!
Oh, what are you nuts? My wife made those. What if she watches this? Turn that camera off. Turn that fucking camera off.